welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some steamed fish and okra with crackers. So let's get right into it. First we're going to be adding some black pepper to our fish. Make sure we get every section of this fish with black pepper. Then we're going to go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning. Like a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning will do. Then we're going to go ahead and get some mixed seasoning. Then we're going to be adding some salt. Make sure salt is inside and out all over this fish. Make sure you season the fish to the bone. And I make some incision on the fish so it's easy, to get the seasoning in. So make sure you rub it in and out. Well seasoned. So this is how I do my steamed fish. You can do it any way you like. So now that I finished seasoning my fish, I'm going to be washing my hands, making sure they're clean. Then I'm going to be going over to cut up all my seasoning that I'm going to be using in my steamed fish. So I have okra right here, so I will be removing the top of the okra. Make sure you get all those things off before you wash and cut up your okra to put in your steamed fish. So I will be dicing those up. Then we're going to go ahead and cut the carrot in 4 and then cut it in cubes. Then I get my onion and I will be cutting this up too. Bear in mind you can put other things in your steamed fish, but this is the way I do it. You can also add pumpkin if you want to. If you don't have any pumpkin, you can use the cock soup, the noodle. You can add various things in your steamed fish, but this is my way of doing steamed fish. Then I get my green bell pepper and I will be dicing that one up too, and I will be doing the same for the red bell pepper. I also have my garlic and my hot scotch bonnet pepper. So I put 2. Now I will be adding my butter to the pot because I'm going to be sauteing my vegetables. You can do it any way you feel pleased to do it, by just adding water and your vegetables or your noodle broth, whatever you want to use. But this is the way I do it. So I add everything to it. The last thing I put in is my okra. So once I saute that, I will be adding some spices. This particular spice is a Maggi fish seasoning. So now this is all ready. I will be adding some water to my pot. Then my thyme, my hot pepper, I put some Irish potato in there, so I'm gonna let that simmer a little bit before I add my fish. Now I'm gonna put my okra in, so you get that juicy and delicious flavor from everything combined together with the butter and the seasoning and everything. Now that is bubbling. Then we're gonna be adding some red snapper, the dapper. Then you go ahead and make sure the fish is well, set and ready to simmer. So you cover your lid. Now I am adding some pimento seed. See, that is so, oh my god, this smells so good. Now I will be adding some Excelsior water crackers, the Jamaican style. So this is Pal's steamed fish with okra and crackers. Yay! Amazing. So now this is all ready to share. So now I'm gonna be sharing this dish. Just steamed fish with okra and crackers. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And always remember to live good, love God, and have a wonderful and blessed day. Enjoy. And we also give you a serving of ripe plantain with some barefoot wine. Enjoy.